So hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Manshri and I am really excited for today's video because I have my sister Bonita. Bonita, please say hi to my audience.
Hi guys, thank you so much for coming by and it's gonna be really exciting. This is the first time that I'm making a video with my sister Manshri. We have always wanted to do this.
She's Bonita Rajpurohit. She's model, actress and activist, and most importantly she's Miss Transqueen India 2019 second year runner-up.
But it's model, Manshri, not model. Model is too big in us.
Basically we are judging her sense of style.
We have really different style. I admire her taste, but at the same time I think that we have a very different taste. So let's see if she really likes my taste and how I want her to be dressed up.
In today's video, what we are exactly doing is I have selected like 5 different occasions and she has to dress me up for that particular occasions, and in the end I am going to rate all of those outfits according to my sense of style and sense of fashion. And you guys can also participate by commenting below in that comment section that what is your rating are going to be for all of these looks. So yeah, without wasting further time, let's get into it. So the first look is gonna be about the street look. It's a street look. It should be wearable street look in India. Let's just be really realistic about it. Really fun and cool outfits, but as
It has to be very much expressive about who you are. You know, that's what fashion is all about.
yeah. So the first look that you have to create for me is gonna be about the street look.
Let's get into it.
Let's just not be particular about any like weather situation.
I'm not keeping like my style or what I would wear, because fashion to me has never been about weather or what we should be going according. It has never been according to the trend.
I know that.
Yeah, I think I want to choose whatever. Can we curse on your videos? Or
No, you are not. I'm going to like put that a beep button. I think she's gonna take me entire lifetime to do it. My audience doesn't have like a lifetime, and plus I am a newbie.
I can't be like pick anything. Or it's gonna be a fashion disaster. We don't want a fashion disaster.
I really appreciate your patience.
I'm done.
You're
Stop
done?
bitching about me. These are black pants. These are very skinny fit. I love skinny fit. And I think this can go really well with the black skin type high neck itself as well. I think it's also made of crepe.
Yeah.
So you won't feel much warm in it. I really hate choosing flats. So I have chosen these shoes because it also has a base under it. It won't be complete heel, so you can also feel comfortable on the streets while wearing these. The contrast look, the white is going to give on your the whole look.
I'm going to show you how it looks on me. Obviously, I'm not changing right in front of you.
Oh yeah.
I love how it it looks all together. How she tried to tone down this entire outfit, and how it is different from my style is that when I am picking an outfit, what I do is I try to match the footwear somewhere with whatever I'm wearing. So in that case, it's really different, and I'm going to rate this outfit 8 out of 10. Is going to be a dinner date, so
This is gonna be really exciting. We don't want to be look too sultry, but we want to look like really precious, so that the next person can know that we are really special, because we are. We need to have that attention. At the same time, we need to look classy and maintain the enigma that we have underneath ourselves. So for dinner dates, we're gonna go up with the dresses, because I think dresses are really good for dates. Go ahead with this one. This looks really elegant, I think.
this is how it looks. We should all have a moment for all of these pretty buttons that he has. It's a very vintage dress.
It's a very vintage dress.
It's a very close to my heart dress because I wore it on my birthday and it's a gift from my elder sister.
It's a gift from all of us.
Yeah.
from her.
All of my sister, like, they all surprised me on my birthday.
It was a really all of a sudden that she was not expecting we would
Yeah.
be here in the morning around 4. We all just, got her up and told her to,
Dress up.
Dress,
Yeah,
dress.
just wear this
And
dress.
When she got out, well, we were like all outside waiting for her. There were balloons, there were happy birthday cake,
Yeah.
and she looked so happy, and we were so happy. It was one of the best moments for all of us. Yeah, I'm gonna pick up the shoes for this. No flat shoes for the dinner date, of course. So we all can choose whatever we want, but according to me, I think a dress and a pair of heels goes really well for a dinner date. On a date nights, you're not supposed to wear longer heels.
She's the one who literally wears heel when we are like going for mountain hiking and bicycle riding. She's the one who end up wearing heels on like those
It's
different
all about
occasions.
your own comfort, and I think that heels have been my comfort of zone, and it has given me enough confidence to be myself. So for that, I can see this pair of heels. This is really nice. But it's gonna be comfortable for you. It's gonna go along with the dress. Looking forward to see you in this dress. I'm gonna be really proud of this. I know.
I'm so excited to try this on. So yeah, let me go and try this on, and let's just try this on.
Try this on. Try this on. Do you want to say one more time? Try this
Try
on.
this on. This is a very lovely and sophisticated outfit. It has a whole different vibe that like I'm a lady. I totally love this entire outfit. This is perfect go outfit for any date night. So I love this look, how it looks and how it has turned out to be. I'm going to give her a 10 on 10 because it couldn't have been anything better. Okay, so next up I have the occasion of club night. I might end up in clubs so
We
many
love clubs. We love clubs, right? I love dressing up, and especially for club nights. Oh my god, you have to look sexy all the time, no matter what the occasion is.
What kind of picture you have in your mind? Like how
I
it should
think
be?
I want to
Like,
see something glitter, shimmery. We can wear anything, any outfit for a club night, but it has to stand out. Like this neon dress, I think I really love this one. I think you also used this one dress in the previous video, right?
Yeah.
I've seen you wear this dress, but you have always carried something or the other along with this dress. I've never seen you wearing only this dress. Color I really like, really glimmering out of the dark rooms. You're gonna definitely wear the pair of Steven Madame that you have. I love these shoes, pair of shoes that she has. We can go along with this, and then pair of shoes with this.
Okay.
And yeah, I think we have decided for the club night.
I'm going to try this on, and yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Before anything, I would like to say that it's really, really cool and sexy, and for that reason, I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. And I love this look. Definitely looking forward to go to a club and then wear this entire outfit. So this is the final look to you all. Okay, so next up we have airport look. But before
That would be
that,
very tough for me.
Before that-
It's really bad.
before that, I never, ever in my life been at an airport. So this is gonna be the first time I'm getting ready, and I'm too broke at side by side. I just want to
Yeah.
feel great about that. I have a lot of money, and still I didn't go for a flight.
I think you're
I
all
don't have
broke at some
money,
point.
and so this is the only time I want to feel like I'm going to an airport.
So this is gonna be tough. This is a comparatively a more comfort look which I have to decide. And I'm really bad at comfort, deciding other people's comfort. For me, fashion has always been a comfort.
So we both are like kind of trying to match our outfit. She's still finding, digging.
And I have not even looked upon the shirts. I don't
Because
know.
this is not at all your style. I know that. That is why I didn't even introduce on the first
I'm
place.
trying really hard to do something on the shirt, but I don't know. I just don't know how you can style it.
Then you should definitely watch my previous, like the first ever video how to
Definitely.
style a shirt.
I think you can go along with this. Richard Allen collection. I love something that goes along with the whole outfit.
Just
Just like I gave you
yeah.
the first outfit streetwear, it was black and black.
Yeah.
I think again I'm gonna give you something like that. This suit would look pretty classy. It's really up to date. It's comfortable. It's stretchable.
Okay.
And it's breathable. And also this tank top is it gives you a very breezy vibe.
Okay.
And for the shoes, oh my god.
I love sneakers like anything. Like I wait for sneakers and I
will
can live
not-
in them for
I
like.
will not make you wear sneakers this time. No sneakers. I'm gonna come up with this pair of shoes. I think these can go along with this very well. There's something about booties that I really love is that you always feel so much comfortable in boot
Yeah.
heels. Do you feel that way?
Yeah, I do.
I feel like we can also run in boot heels.
Yeah, of course.
It's gonna look like a fashion statement, and you're gonna be really comfortable.
I was
At
like
the same
literally
time.
thinking that this time I'm gonna have sneakers in my hand, but then
Not when I'm dressing you up, no facts.
this is the outfit that she has chosen for me. It's an entire suit. I hate the idea of jumpsuits, but this is something that I really love and like. And these are the boot heels that I'm going to pair along with. So I love this fact about it that it's all like a monochrome pattern thing, and I love how shoes are like a bit contrasting, but yet they are going so well with it. And this entire outfit is so comfortable, like I can literally breathe in it. And for that reason, I would like to give this entire outfit 9.5. Whenever I'm going to the airport for the first freaking time in my life, I am definitely going to try this out. Next up, and the final look that she has to like pick for me is a fashion week look. Especially I did this because I have this fashion icon diva, and like she's all about fashion.
You don't have to
So
pick
like so that like she can show her all the skills, and like she can go all the way around, like really like she can have all the freedom to like experiment with the things and all of that. So it can only happen when you're going to a fashion week. I never been to a fashion week in general, but she been to a fashion week, not just only been to a fashion week, but she have worked for a very well-known fashion designer named I forgot the name. Very well known.
To the runway fashion week look, a lot of people are going to come from the industry, from the fashion industry, from the entire Bollywood
Yeah.
industry, or like wherever you are at the
Yeah.
moment. Let's find out what all you have
Yeah.
for a runway fashion week. Oh, I have actually worn this t-shirt on a runway fashion.
Oh,
Do
you
remember?
did?
Do you remember this?
When you
I was
wore
in
that
Delhi,
black-
India runway week.
Okay, so you wore that.
I wore this one and the black skirt of yours.
Anyway, it's mine. I never been to runway, but this top of mine have been to runway.
I really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for the clothes that she has given me. I think that was one of the reasons that I have gained the crown of Miss Transman India, because I had really amazing collection of clothes, and all of the clothes were from Manshri's wardrobe. So I think I'm really grateful.
And
of
now
that.
she's sitting here and calling my clothes basic, okay? You didn't hear her, she just...
Let's show a little bit of skin. I want you to wear this bralette. The leather is also gonna be like a shining material, so this will go with this. Okay. So I want you to wear the stockings underneath it. These pair of shoes. So yay, we have finally come up with an outfit for a fashion runway.
So this is the final outfit that we are doing. These are the heels that I'm going to wear. It has like the strings and then the leather skirt.
And the stockings she's gonna wear underneath that. And we have a bralette.
A bralette. This bralette. Okay. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. Let's just do this final look. Please, who are still watching me till right here, please subscribe to my channel.
We both of us will be responding to your questions. If you have any question, any doubt,
Yeah.
or if you have any suggestion or feedback.
I'm going to try this look. I hope you guys gonna love it, and I'm really excited about it. So let's see how it looks on me. I'm all about this outfit. Look at this outfit, how amazing it is. It's a totally raw rocking outfit that's like definitely gonna stand out when you're wearing it in a fashion week. Definitely giving a 10 on 10 to this outfit, and I'm definitely going to shoot in it right after I'm like finishing this video. So yeah. So yeah, ladies, that was it for my today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching my video, and I am so amazed to see all of these looks and this one right here. So let me know in the comment section below that which look was your favorite look.
Thank you so much for being so patient and watching the whole video.
Yeah, with that we'll take a leave. Bye bye, ladies, and take care. I hope I'll see you in the next video as well. Bye bye.